Alright guys, so today I'm coming to you with a different video, and look who has made an appearance, my natural hair. Now if you guys had seen one of my latest videos, I'll leave it in the iCard above, then you would have known why my natural hair is now making an appearance. And lo and behold, today will be the review for the Amazon Lace products. Alright, so today's video will be featuring this product, Amazon Lace, and it's Nutree Professionals Amazon Lace Acai and Cacao, the real Brazilian keratin. So this is the company that had reached out to me, which is why I had to, you know, make changes with my hair. And so I'm going to just tell you guys about this product, how I think it reacted to my hair, my thoughts on it, how I feel, if it is something that I would recommend and use again. Alright, so this is what I'll be using today. It is the Amazon Lace Acai and Cacao, the real Brazilian keratin. Alright, so it comes with 3 steps. Step 1, which is the anti-residue shampoo. As you can see, I haven't shampooed my hair in 3 weeks. Just pull it out, I'm going to be using it on it. And step 2, which is the Brazilian smoothing treatment. And then step 3, which is the intensive repair mask. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going with step 1 now, anti-residue shampoo. I'm not really smelling anything, but here it goes. Let's see some more. See how much it suds. It says on the directions to shampoo twice. Clearly I need more, even though you know the first shampoo won't sud, but you at least need to get it around in the hair. So I've added some more to my palm. Alright, so I'll be doing the second round of shampooing now because it says you are to shampoo twice. Well, who doesn't shampoo twice? One thing I can tell you about the first use of the shampoo, it's not drying. You know, usually when you have shampoo in your hair, it's sort of dry. You can't run your fingers through your hair. This one actually feels like I'm applying oil to my hair. It's not stripping, it's, you see that? For a shampoo, it's acting like a conditioner. It's not drying. It's definitely not drying. So, applying the second round now. Getting a good massage in on the scalp. Alright guys, so on to step 2. You can see here where I've sectioned my hair in 6 parts. That's what the instructions said. It says after washing the hair, blow dry and divide into 6 even sections. Apply the Brazilian smoothing treatment Amazon lace in 1 section starting from the base of the head, which is starting from the back going forward. However, it also says after you've done that, blow dry the section with cold air and iron it. Now, this product is also for the other types of hair, like, you know, straight hair. Clearly, I have curly hair, so I will not be using, it says cold air anyway. I'm in the shower. I can't use a hair dryer in the shower. So I will just be sectioning it. It's already sectioned. I'll be applying this from the back to the front and clipping it back and just letting it stay for like a 5 or 10 minutes with regular air until I rinse it out. You know, I can't use the hair dryer in the shower, and this is a shower video, so yeah. So I'm going to apply step 2 now. So this, I'm saying, this is how it looks, right? So I'm just going to go in section by section. It says you have to go in section by section from root to tip. Smell good. It smells like if anybody's Jamaican, you ever go doctor and get that yellow antibiotic. That's how it smells, just like that. So I'm putting it in from root to the end and combing it through. It's very soft. It smells good. Hair feel nice. So I'm going to just do that now for each section, and then let it sit in my hair for like a 5 or 10 minutes. Instead of plugging a dryer, it's cool air. So yeah. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes later. 10 minutes later, you can see how my hair looks. I'm going to just go ahead now and remove all my clips. One thing though, guys, I don't know what is in it, but my eyes kind of burning, like it's making my eyes water. You know, like it smells something with menthol and it makes your eye water. It's kind of that effect that it's having. And you can see my fingers running through my hair. It's very moisturizing, I must say that. Very moisturizing, you know. I haven't used any conditioner as yet, and my fingers are just running through my hair like I've conditioned it. So this is it now. This is how my hair looks. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out now and then come back with step 3. On to step 3. Step 3 is the intensive repair mask. And it says, after applying the Brazilian smoothing treatment, rinse the hair and apply the intensive repair mask Amazon lace. Leave in for 5 minutes and rinse. Precautions: do not ingest. We know we're not supposed to ingest products. Anyway, I got these gloves with it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the gloves on now. And apply the mask throughout my hair. And while the mask is in my hair, what I'm going to do is to cover it with a plastic bag and just bathe, and then so while I'm showering and all that good stuff, it can soak in. But I'm not gonna squeeze that out. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes later because I had it the plastic bag over my hair, moving around, and I also took my shower. So I'm going to just... I'm coming to Mar. Mom life. I'm just going to remove it now and rinse it. Okay guys, so it says here, the luxurious elixir of Amazon Brazil creates smooth and silky hair for up to 4 months, suitable for all hair types. All hair types. See? If anybody knows what my hair type is, just drop a comment down below and let me know, okay? Alright, just some information on the box I'm sharing with you. It says, discover the combination that can offer you the smooth effect of your dreams. Acai and cacao. I hope I'm pronouncing those words correctly. From the heart of Amazon Brazil arises a new revelation. Extremely smooth effect here in the first application. With Amazon Lace, you get 100% smooth effect. Magnificent and healthy hair has never been easier. Its extraordinary formula is the perfect communion between the majestic antioxidant powder of the acai berry and the intense discipline of cocoa to provide maximum reduction of volume of the hair and quality so superior that impresses even the most skeptical professionals. Fall in love with your new amazing smooth hair with Amazon Lace. Now you guys would have noticed in the video, and that was one of my first impressions of the product. It is smoothing. Like, they didn't lie when they said it would smooth the hair, because when I applied the shampoo to my hair, it acted like a conditioner. I could just run my fingers through my hair. Even though it's dry, I can run my fingers through my hair and it just bounces back. It feels smooth and silky, as you guys can see here. And I haven't put anything in my hair. I just shampooed it, put my headband around it, and I left it like that so that you can see the end result after just using these products. And it's a 3-step product that I have here, as you would have seen in the video before. Step 1, which is the anti-residue shampoo. So you use your products and your hair build up and everything. This helps to remove the residue from the other products. And then step 2, which is the Brazilian soothing treatment to restore the follicles after you've shampooed it and stripped all that previous residue off. But with the shampoo, it does not feel drying or stripping. If you guys have watched any of my other videos, you know there's a particular shampoo that I believe when I use it, it makes my hair extremely dry and brittle. This shampoo, very nice. It acts like a conditioner. So step 2 now would be, you know, to soothe it after you've stripped the residue off. And then, you know, it's always good to use a mask on your hair treatment. So it comes with a mask as step 3, and it's the intensive repair mask, which you guys would have seen here. I left it in my hair, you know, to, you know, natural steam and everything. So all in all, would I use these products again? Of course. I wish I got them in full size. I wish I got them in full size, because I will only be able to get 2 uses out of it. I will only be able to get 2 uses out of it. I wish I got them in full size, but you can always order it, which I will also leave a link to the website in the description bar down below if you're interested in trying it. It says for all hair types. I have a type 3 here. It's either 3B, 3C, somewhere thereabout. And so it worked with my hair. It's good. And I think for the next use, I will use it in my daughter's hair. She has type 4 hair, and let you guys know how it worked in her hair as well. My thoughts on these products is really good. It feels really good for those who like I know about the acai berry. I see a lot of people using it in salads, like fruit bowls and everything. It has very good nutrients, and now they're using it, they've incorporated it into their hair products. So if it's good enough to ingest, it's good enough to use on my hair. And would I recommend it? Yes, I would. And the link to the site will be in the description bar if you're interested in checking it out. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe and become a part of Patty's World. You know, join the family life 876. If after this first video you do not feel like, I don't want to subscribe to Fair Channel, I have several playlists, and I will leave some in the iCards that you can check out to see if you might find something intriguing and subscribe. I would love if you subscribe to my channel. If you do, please turn your post notifications on so that you know each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to notified. You can join my premieres when I have a new video premiering and just be more involved, please. For my old subscribers, thank you for keeping the momentum going. I see you guys in the comments. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video.